Hello, my name is Anthony DeLuca, and I am going to share with you guys something I've been working on. I'm also announcing that over the next week for Thanksgiving, I'll be thanking people who have signed up for our website and promoted their arts, business, service, craft, etc. I'll be doing this on the social media and wherever I can post the video, YouTube, Facebook. I'll be basically looking at my website, looking at these members' profile and their contributions, and sharing their website, the art that they may have posted, whatever it may be. And so I hope that you'll join me. I want to give thanks to these people who have shared their content with our site and supported our mission. So without any further wait, I want to get right into it so I don't go off on any tangents. We're going to check out rhapsodicglobal.org. One moment here. Let's get this all set up. So this is rhapsodicglobal.org, and it is an independent promoters association. We collaborate with independent promoters to support communities by sharing arts, music, services, businesses, hobbies, crafts, etc. We're creating a common interest in each other's success. And there is a bunch of things that you can do here on the website. Let's see, such as browsing content. If you would like a promotional blog written about your productive interest, build community. So this is myself, Anthony Joseph DeLuca, and why I'm doing this. Then you can see our featured or verified promotions by category. You can see our contributors. This is where we'll be going to thank people who have signed up for our website. And you can write your promotion. This button is going to change, as you will see. You can click this, copy what's going on here, and share it on your social media if you'd like. So thank you. And of course, you can learn more about our mission if you want to go to that page and read about it. I probably will for you at some point. But to stay focused here, we're going to go ahead and sign up. And I am creating a tester page. So you basically put in your name, your email address, your phone number, your website if you want. We're going to go ahead and write it out, rhapsodicglobal.org, rhapsodicglobal.org. And I am filming this in Humboldt County right now. Writing where you're from is going to help us create community pages for your local area. Let's see here, got a password for this thing, and a lot about our website is reducing spam. Eventually we're going to have a site, or we already have it, but eventually we're going to have a site that has got no spam or scammers. It has people sharing their arts, business, services, crafts, whatever it may be, and it's all to support one another and our productive interests. I used to think that we could replace Facebook, and I've kind of let go of that dream. I mean, that's okay, you know? So let's see, you can see that I was doing this earlier. We got a confirmation code. But these days I've accepted that they're different projects. So anyway, once somebody signs up, I get their request to become a member and I approve it. Sometimes I may do a little bit of verification, sleuthing to see who a person might be. And I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page, click the member menu here to log in. And when I log in, since I'm on the home page, it's going to take me directly to my member profile. My contributor profile really is, since it's a private membership association, the word member does apply. A private membership association is just when people basically form a private contract to suggest that they are collaborating in some goal or whatever it may be, and our mission is to create a common interest in each other's success. So to show you guys this process, we just signed up, and now once you're logged in, you can click your member menu and go to your profile. That's the easiest, quickest way, but I want to show you guys that once you're logged in, anytime that you come to the website homepage, it will basically take you straight to your profile. And so I realized earlier when I went to sign up that I don't actually have any pictures on this computer yet. I just had to switch to Linux recently, so I'm going to go ahead and save the Rhapsodic Global logo, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to use that. Let's just save it to the desktop, and I'm going to see if I can use that. Nope. Does it work? So it does. So basically you can see that you can put your profile picture here, and you can put your background picture here and reposition it. Now we're looking at the desktop version, but the cell phone mobile version is really pretty much the same thing, and you'll be able to write your first promotion here on your profile page. Add photos, videos, whatever you want, and make sure to add your contact info to complete, or to make sure people know where to find you. You can also add your link straight to your bio. Alright, so I'm just doing it real simple because I'm going to delete this when I'm done anyway. But you can add your contact info and it will take you to your information tab. Connector. Our site has connectors, has connections, which is someone a connector may write and publish a story about, and contributors, which is what I'm signing up as right now, a site member. And then once you're a site member, so I'm going to update info. Just in case any of you guys see this, it's kind of annoying, but you have to put your number formatting in right now, or else it doesn't work. I'm trying to fix it, and apparently I can't figure out the right formatting. I think let's try it just for another second, and then I'm gonna move on. Yeah, so maybe don't worry so much about this page right now. I'm trying to fix it, trying to figure it out. I don't know what's wrong with this, but it's still a work in progress. So you can still find your community, which is where you would be able to see the groups. We've got Humboldt County, California. As other communities become active on the site, there will be other community pages. And when someone fills in their profile, the first thing that's going to happen is they're going to be sent to the introductions group, where people can introduce themselves. And apparently right now this group is private to site members only, or I guess I can request to join. But that's a picture of my old dog Trip and one of his cousins that we met at the beach. And this is where new members or members who have filled out their profile will be able to introduce themselves to one another. From there, we can get to know what these people are into and put them in different groups based on their interests and their locations. And here in Humboldt County, we've got a discussion page, arts and media for all the photos and videos that show up, business ads, job postings, important files, and coming soon events as well. So some of these groups you'll be able to just join on your own, but since this website's about getting to know one another for what they're working on and putting out there, we'll be, basically adminning these groups. These groups work a lot like any other social media group, but it's put together by someone who's from Humboldt County, and this website is based on the ideals that I learned growing up out here. And what I was saying earlier about not having any spam or scammers, it's a great vision. So this is how it works, is when people become active in our community groups, then we get to know who they are, and connectors like myself, or people who become connectors through doing this, can publish featured promotions in our verified promotion area. And this is how you know every promotion in here is written by someone who's has some connection with the thing that they're sharing. And basically, promoters can support their communities by putting out this content, supporting the change that we wish to see in the world at BJ's Health Foods in Victorville, California. So I'll be coming on here more often and reading these stories. I actually have to go through this list and fix some things. If anyone's checking this out and they want to stay in the loop of site updates, I call it the Blue Moon newsletter because I only send it out maybe like once or twice a year, maybe. So you can sign up for that here, put any comments if you'd like. And if you like the work that I'm doing, and if you like this idea and what I'm building here, a website that allows people to promote their arts, music, crafts, services, business, etc. for free, and allows independent promoters to utilize tools to support their communities, then please consider supporting this project by becoming a sponsor or a donor. So at the bottom of the site, or you can also click donate in this page here, you'll see 4 different forms that will allow you to donate to our cause. Right here is just Rhapsodic Global support. Those funds go straight to the Rhapsodic Global Development Fund, and will go to features on our site, making sure it's all up to date and working well. And then if you want to support any of the people that we're promoting on our site, you can boost a promotion. So you would need to choose who you want to promote, who you want to boost. But the idea is you pick your own promotion and pledge $50. the connector who wrote that promotion will inquire with the person it's about and make sure that this promotion is eligible to be boosted, and then that connector will match your $50 pledge and boost it for $100, thanking you on the post that it's being boosted, and try to get up to 8 other pledges to support the connector who writes the story, and to allow them to earn a little bit for really what they're doing is to encourage the person they're writing about and help them get their story out. So boosting their promotion, becoming the sponsor, will also help that person get their story seen. And it's a word of mouth tool, and that when the connectors and the sponsors are attempting to find more sponsors, they're getting the word out about the promotion that's being boosted. And so there's some cool things about that. If you'd like to further understand what I'm saying, there is the active sponsorship campaign. You can pledge $50 to boost sponsorship adventure community-driven networking. And your $50 pledge will result in a boosted post thanking your business for $100 up to $150 if we achieve our campaign goal. Please share to increase our chances. So our campaign goal is $400. That means if we can get 8 $50 pledges, we will boost the promotion for our sponsorship campaign at $150 on social media, thanking those businesses. So hold that thought for a moment. I'm going to bring us somewhere where we can read about it. But first, if you just want to support me, Anthony Joseph DeLuca, who is responsible for all site fees and maintenance, then you can donate straight to me here as well. And anyone else who becomes a connector with our site will not only be able to have their promotions get sponsored, but they'll have their own donate box just like I do right here. So if you want to learn more about the sponsorship program, on the donate page this button changes to take you to the sponsorship adventure build synergy with Rhapsodic Global post that explains it all. So anyway, I don't want to make the video too long. Really excited. You can check out communities here, and I've been going to other places, finding businesses that I want to write about in these places. And when I am publishing these stories, I'm hoping that people will come to our site, they'll read about their own hometown, and then they'll say, what is this? They'll check it out. They'll see Northern California, and they'll come to the Humboldt County community, where hopefully all of your businesses, arts, crafts, and services will be visible here. You'll get national recognition from these different communities that we're publishing in and connecting with. And yeah, it's just going to keep growing from there. So this is me showing you guys how to sign up, encouraging you to promote your arts, crafts, business, service, to share productive interests. Our website is basically designed to encourage people to do what they love. I love to write, so that's one of the reasons why I like to write these promotional blog posts that I'll be reading to you guys in the future, and encouraging people to come check out our site that way. But basically, if you have any comments or questions, I just kind of skimmed through a lot of stuff because I don't want to confuse people. Been working on this for a long time, and any feedback is much appreciated. I'm really hoping that people will join, and I want to thank all of those who have. So you'll be seeing me over the next week sharing people's content and from this tab here. So if you come to the site and you join, then you can see the contributors. And even if you don't join, you can see the contributors, but you can check out some of the people that I'll be sharing with you guys as well. So, pretty exciting stuff. I think you guys are going to like it. And I really appreciate all of you who are a part of this. Rhapsodic Global is an independent promoters association. All of our connections and connectors operate independently. Our social advertising network and content is donation based. We promote free and paid services for ourselves and others. We do not invade your privacy or monetize your data. If you have any questions or comments about our policies, or if you'd like us to update information we have about you and your preferences, please email Anthony DeLuca at rhapsodicglobal.org. Thank you for watching my video, and hope you have a good holiday season. I'll be sharing with you more and more. Thanks.